In this episode, we're going to have a variety of sentences and exercises, which I promise will be useful and enjoyable at the same time. I'm going to basically talk about ordinal numbers, which are first, second, third, and so on. If you are interested in this episode, stay tuned. Welcome back. This is Rami, teacher of English. And as I told you before the intro, today's episode will be about ordinal numbers, which are first, second, third. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, I have to say that we have two types of numbers. We have what we can call the normal numbers, like 1, 2, 3. And there is no big problem with that, except some numbers I have to focus on. I can say there are about 8 numbers that some people may mispronounce, like 3. You have to get your tongue or the tip of your tongue, you have to make it touch the upper teeth. 3, 6, 7, not 7, 10, and not 10, 11, 12, 16, 60. Okay, I think you're okay with it now. And now let's move on to the other type of numbers, which is called the ordinal numbers. And first of all, we have to say what the ordinal numbers are used for. And they're simply used to show the order of people or things. For example, in this photo, we have the first player, the second player, and the third player. So for the numbers from 1 to 3, they are particularly special. And we have to memorize them like they are: first, second, third. And from 4 and all the way up, the numbers follow a certain rule, which is we add th at the end of the number. For example, 4 becomes fourth, 5 becomes fifth, 6 becomes sixth, 7 becomes seventh, and so on. But here we have some numbers which may be different when adding th, like 5 becomes fifth. We remove ve and put th. 8, we remove t and put th. 8th. 9, we remove e and add th. 9th. 12, just like 5, we remove ve and add th. Become 12th. 20, in this number we remove y and put ie instead, and then we add th, so it becomes 20th, 20th, or 20th. Now, let me remind you, this video is a part of a course for learning English for beginners. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And let's have some practice on that. And for the best practice, let's have the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
I think many of you know the days of the week. Let me ask you, how many days of the week do we have? Yes, great. We have 7 days in the week. Or in other words, we can say, there are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days in the week. So let's take a rule from the sentence. The rule is, when you talk about something plural, we say there are. But when you talk about something singular, we say there is. For example, there is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. But what if we have 2 books? Can I say there is? No, I will say there are 2 books on the table. There are 2 books on the table. So when we talk about a singular noun, just one thing, we say there is. There is a cat on the sofa. There is a cat on the sofa. There are some cats in the house. There are some cats in the house. So these are the days of the week: Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We can say Monday, the first day of the week. Monday, the first day of the week.
Tuesday, the second day of the week,
Wednesday, the third day of the week. Wednesday, the third day of the week. Thursday, the fourth day of the week. Thursday, the fourth day of the week. Okay, I think you get it now. Which is the first day of the week? What's your answer? Great. Monday, the first day of the week. Another question. Which is the fifth day of the week? Great. Friday, the fifth day of the week. And now let's have some practice on the month of the year. And let me ask you, which is the first month of the year? Great. January is the first month of the year. Which is the second month of the year? Which is the second month of the year? Great. February, the second month of the year. February, the second month of the year. Which is the third month of the year? Which is the third month of the year? Right. March is the third month of the year. Now, let me ask you about the days of the week. Which is the fourth day of the week? Right. Thursday, the fourth day of the week. Now, let me ask you some questions. Number 1. There is one day of the week when people have a holiday. There is one day of the week when people have a holiday. Great. Sunday. Question 2. There is one month of the year which is 28 days. There is one month of the year which is 28 days. Right, February. February is the only month of the year which is 28 days. Now, question 3. There are 4 players in the photo. Name them from right to left. There are 4 players in the photo. Name them from right to left. The first player from right is Ronaldo. The second player from right is Neymar. The third player from right is Messi. The fourth player from right is Mohamed Salah. Now, I want you to name them from left to right. I think it's easy for you. Mohamed Salah is the first player from left, or the first player from left is Mohamed Salah. The second player from left is Messi. The third player from left is Neymar. The fourth player from left is Cristiano Ronaldo. And finally, thank you for watching this video. This video was a part of a full course for learning English for beginners. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.